welcome to Object of the Week. This week our object is this really lovely Mignon Model 4 typewriter. It's an index typewriter, and they were sort of simpler and sturdier than the keyboard typewriters that most of us know. This was made in 1923, well, approximately 1923, by AEG in Berlin. And actually it's a really fascinating object. Obviously, like I said, it's an index typewriter, so you had this lovely index panel here, which is obviously before the shift key, so you've got the capitals and small letters together, and this could be changed out as well. And in order to make it work, you'd use this sort of index pointer here, and you'd move it to where you needed your next character, and then you press the center button here, which is your print button, and it would, the movement of the index would move this little type wheel, and then pressing the button would print your character. You've also got a space bar and a backspace bar as well, which made it really versatile. I really quite like this because when you look at it initially, you don't tend to think typewriter. I mean, for a lot of us, a typewriter is very much the keyboard typewriter, which has that QWERTY keyboard that is developed into computers, and that was developed at the time of sort of the keyboard, because if you hit a button too fast, you would have a lovely paper jam and there'd just be a mess everywhere, and it just got chaotic. So they split the regularly used letters up so that you could just type faster. And like I said, this is sort of a very different way of typing, and although it was slightly slower than the keyboard, actually if you were a skilled user you could get up to 300 characters in a minute, which I find quite impressive because sometimes I'm having a slow day and I can't even get that fast anyway. So thank you very much for joining me, and it's really lovely.